Hello, everybody. Mike Arnold here, co-founder of Pat Trading Partners, along Bob Iacino with the weekly wrap-up. Again, just poking above yesterday's high, very narrow range today, low volume. We're really watching this 520 area above the 12.5% retracement to confirm a rotation back up. Right now, the rotation zone, we're just going to take a look at it on the daily and the weekly today. Key support coming in right at this 500 area. First of all, it's a round number. A lot of people pay attention to it for some reason. And we have the rising rotation zone. If we do get a close below this 492, we'll start watching for this gap fill and then a potential return to the lower end of the daily rotation zone, which would be about 465. And again, so bearish a close below 492, bullish a close above 520. Let's take a look at that weekly chart since it's the weekly wrap up. So really good volume week. This is a pretty toppy candle right now. So, but again, we'd have to get below the low of that week. So again, the 492 area on a closing basis. Now realize the rotation zone is all the way back at about 428. Key level we'll be focusing on if we start getting the bigger pullback is about 437. That's the 50% move from this run up. So a 50% retracement would take us back pretty close to the weekly rotation zone. Remember, things do eventually return to the rotation zone either two ways. They correct or they pause and let the rotation zone catch up. Well, it's going to take a few weeks for the rotation zone to catch up, and before that, fourth quarter earnings will come out, so we're just going to have to pay attention and start seeing if we do get those lower closes and retest the other side of the daily rotation zone. Remember, the daily rotation zone coming in at 464. So those are the key levels we'll be watching for, and it's still in major overbought condition on a weekly basis. This has been overbought since about the beginning of December. So it stayed up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 straight up weeks. You can see how it's really overbought. So don't be surprised if we start getting that bigger pullback, especially with this kind of topping candle in place. But remember, we need confirmation for that. And none of this is trading advice. It's all for educational purposes. Hope everyone has a great weekend. We'll talk to you next week. Bye for now.